You guys, the market's shifting and you need to see this. I've been digging into the charts and analyzing the recent institutional flow, and honestly, the landscape of where smart money's executing trades is changing rapidly. Finding a solid, reliable exchange right now isn't just a convenience, it's an absolute game changer. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a deep dive into a platform that's catching the attention of high-volume traders who prioritize deep liquidity, bank-grade security, and actually lucrative bonuses. I'm talking about BloFin. And the absolute best part, I've partnered with their team to bring my community an exclusive campaign where you can claim up to $300 in futures bonuses. You definitely don't want to sleep on this one, so make sure you watch every second of this video because spots are strictly capped. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and make sure you're in my Telegram channel. The link's right down in the description. Let's dive into the details. The crypto space moves at lightning speed, and we're constantly seeing new platforms pop up. But BloFin isn't just another generic exchange. It's a next-generation trading hub built specifically for serious futures trading. Their foundational priority is the absolute security of your capital. Actually, in an environment where our trust in centralized entities is tested daily, BloFin genuinely stands out by integrating directly with top-tier institutional custodial services like Fireblocks. They also have a transparent proof of reserves mechanism continuously running, meaning anyone can verify their assets are fully backed one-to-one. Seriously, solid fundamentals like this are completely non-negotiable for any platform I use. When you get into the dashboard, the user interface on BloFin is incredibly intuitive, making it a flawless fit whether you're a Wall Street veteran or a modern businesswoman scaling up your trading operations. Their primary focus is heavily on derivatives. They offer a massive variety of USDT-M futures pairs, giving you the necessary utility to diversify your exposure and find perfect setups even on volatile altcoins. And the liquidity architecture? It's genuinely top tier. You can execute massive position sizes with virtually zero slippage, which is critical when you're scalping or running day trading strategies. Plus, they've a highly developed copy trading ecosystem. If you don't have the bandwidth to stare at order books all day, you can seamlessly browse their master traders, analyze their historical P&L, check their win rate, and automatically mirror their moves. It's an amazing tool, but always keep your risk management in check. Now, let's talk about the real alpha. The exclusive campaign BloFin and I've put together is called the Claim $300 Deposit Bonus, and it's live right now. The window runs from March 30th through April 30th. This is your immediate opportunity to boost your trading capital and secure pure futures bonuses just for executing trades. But listen closely. This specific promo is strictly capped at the first 100 users only. So, seriously, don't wait around and let this opportunity pass you by. The reward mechanics are straightforward and based entirely on your net deposit directly into your futures account. We're looking at 4 specific reward tiers. Tier 1. Make a net deposit of at least $100 and you immediately qualify for a $15 futures bonus. Tier 2, step your game up to a $500 deposit and you secure a $75 bonus. Tier 3, fund your account with $1,000 or more and you lock in a solid $150. And the final tier, specifically for the heavy hitters deploying $2,000 or more, you claim the absolute maximum $300 bonus reward. To successfully qualify, there are strict parameters. First, you absolutely must register using my specific partner link located down in the video description. If you bypass that link, you won't be tracked for these rewards. Second, once you initiate your deposit, you must hold those funds securely in your account for a minimum of 3 days during the active event period. If you pull liquidity out early, you're automatically disqualified. They're specifically calculating your net deposit in USDT-M, which means your total inbound transfers minus any outbound withdrawals. On top of the raw deposit, there's a standard trading volume requirement to hit. You need to generate a taker volume of at least $50,000. And please take note that only trades held open for longer than 1 minute will actually be counted. Honestly, this is a completely standard industry safeguard to filter out algorithmic wash trading. When you factor in the leverage available on futures contracts, Hitting 50K in total volume is realistically just a handful of well-placed trades for any active trader. It's a very achievable target. These futures bonuses are incredibly valuable. You can deploy them to offset 100% of your trading fees, and they can even act as a buffer to cover 50% of your trading losses or funding fees. Your earned rewards will drop into your account within 3 days after the event wraps up, and they'll be valid for exactly 7 days. This is the perfect risk-adjusted opportunity to test BloFin's institutional-grade liquidity and try out aggressive new strategies while minimizing your downside risk. Bottom line, BloFin has the utility and the capital flow to be a dominant player in this cycle. Between the incredibly deep liquidity, elite security, and our exclusive community promo, now is the exact right time to make your move. My direct partner link, the official BloFin website, and my Telegram channel are all linked directly below. Go get your account registered and claim your spot before those first 100 slots are gone. If you found this market breakdown valuable, smash that like button and let me know down in the comments if you're already executing trades on BloFin. Stay smart, keep your portfolio growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.